Now here's another popular online survey site. I know of someone that used to make $35 to $40 per week on this site. Now there are a few ways to make money on the site, but the primary way is through online surveys. Now it's important to note that not everybody will get paid the same amount for the same surveys, nor will you also get offered the same surveys. And so basically, someone who gets paid $1.50 for one survey, another person may get paid 50 cents for that same survey. So it all depends on your profile and your qualifications. Let's just take a quick look at the site. As you can see here, nearly $7 million has already been paid to members. And the surveys can be related to politics, cars, home improvement, restaurants, technology, shopping, health, travel, sports, etc. And what I like about Vindale research is that you get paid cash. There are no points. And down here are the different ways that you can earn money through Vindale research. Now, if you do the reward mail, I highly recommend that you open up a new email account because you will get bombarded with offers. And when you open these emails, I believe you're only getting paid 5 to 10 cents per email. And for watching these videos, I believe it's around 10 cents per video, and they're about 30 seconds long. And like I said in the previous video, you could probably just try to open up multiple tabs so you could watch multiple videos simultaneously. And if you sell Vindale a photo of yourself with holding a check from Vindale, or even a video of you receiving a payment from them, you will get $5 for that.